Alam nyo, I was quite impressed with Attorney May Divina Gracia. Very soft-spoken. Disarming. Very demure. May hawak pang cross. Nung pala, tagus-buto kung bumanat. In short, you will also agree with me na kapag paiba-iba ang rason, maaaring nagsisinungaling lang or talaga namang ito ay isa lamang scam. Grabe no? Direct to the point. Very clear kung sino ang mastermind at ang architect ng lahat ng ito. We apologize if sometimes we get carried away by our zeal and our passion. We just want to call a spade a spade. We will try to behave. Confidentiality protects sensitive information, but it does not erase financial accountability. Bottom line, the VP is accountable. This is a clear-cut case. Hindi ko alam kung bakit meron pa ring iilan na pilit ipinagtatanggol itong mali. Walang resibo. Bottom line, pera ng taong bayan, iba ang nakinabang.